You've got create and you've got configure. Create is the conversation process where I'm talking to a bot, it's giving me answers, I give it some prompts, it gives me some feedback. Configure is like, this is the program. Based on the discussions we've been having, I've locked it into here. So this is like the core brain. If I'm getting inconsistent content, I need to go back and see how it's created its brain and maybe do a little bit of brain surgery. These 4 conversation starters, you'll find correlating ones over here, and I can go, I don't want that one, and it will not show up on my GPT prompt. I can test it here, my preview. I can say, okay, please create an introduction to a event called Robbie's Balloon Fest. Let them know I'd be a good speaker for their event. So I'm gonna hit submit, and I'm gonna watch to see how it uses my tone language, okay? So I'm gonna be looking for things like ignite, spark, light, smolder, engaged. Does it do that in here? As a professional speaker with a passion for energizing and igniting audiences, those are words that I use, that I've trained it to use for me. I'm ready to bring that same level of elevation to your stage. I specialize in captivating crowds with messages that don't just inform, but spark engagement, enthusiasm, and meaningful connection. Do you see how it's using the words that I'm using? Otherwise, it sounds like it was written by Chat GPT. Because the Chat GPT bot has been trained by a gazillion things, and most people have not given it any focus for tone, language, and vocabulary for their responses. So what I would probably do is I'd copy this, paste it into an email, and then kind of revise it a little bit. This was a test to see if it worked. So I'm gonna close this, go back here. Now it's in my library. It's right here. I can create a new conversation with that bot that's loaded into my GPT library.